For this video, we'll be replacing the handlebar lights, and the tools you need are wire cutters, 2 zip ties if you're replacing both handlebar lights, and also Phillips screwdriver. So I'll be removing just the right side, but the procedure to remove and replace is identical to the left side. So first proceed by cutting off the zip ties that are holding the cable, and if there are none, then you don't need to. But on the left side of the bundle there's a zip tie. But go ahead and remove the cable there. And use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw. And the trick is to expand the clamp just enough to get it out of the handlebar. And this is a very flexible plastic, so it will not break. So go ahead and set those aside, grab the replacement light, and to reverse the process, gently open the clamp and insert the screw to tighten the clamp. And once it's tightened, align the arrows on the red cable and gently push it in, and use a zip tie to secure the wire bundle. Snip off the end, and that concludes the handlebar light replacement.